Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can create or make a memes in Canva. As you know, memes are very popular nowadays, so you can also create your own meme page or Insta meme page, Facebook meme page, so you can earn through it. So this is a very important skill, and you can also sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So let's get started. First of all, I click on the create a design, and here I search for custom size, and I search for 500 by 500 pixels, and that's it. After that, it is loading. Let's wait for some seconds. And that's it. So the main thing in the meme is we have to take inspiration, and then the idea is that we search different memes on Google and take inspiration from the meme and make our meme according to it. So let's get started. Here I search funny memes, and I go to images, and let's see. Yes, when your boss says you have to work on Saturday. So I go to this, and go to apps, and I search here GIFs, GIF. So yes, Jiffy. Open. This is an app for like memes or GIF images, and let's first of all create a text. When my boss says, okay. After that, click on this. Change the color and background color to black, and after that control C, control V, and now I change the text. You have to so that's it. So our text part is done, and I change the background color. That's it. So I go to Jiffy app, and let's see. Yeah, this look good. So this is a good meme. When my boss says you have to work on Saturday. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So you can, guys, I give you a great idea that you can make your own Facebook meme page and Instagram meme page, and memes are now in trending and very popular, so you can easily earn good amount of money. And you can also like sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.